Bob and Marianne
Just
Taylor.
bear with me 1 second.
There are other hotels in Miami.
I'm really sorry.
What is the problem here? We made these reservations over 6 months ago.
I know, ma'am. I'm just not seeing it.
Well, where's Lisa? Lisa always takes care of us.
I know, ma'am. She's out of town. Her grandmother passed away.
Cynthia, is it?
Yes, sir.
Would you get in more trouble if you bothered her or if I called corporate?
Okay.
Dallas drivers. Who taught you how to drive? Stevie Wonder? Don't worry, you'll still catch your plane. You got,
10 minutes. Lisa Reiser.
Lisa? Hi. I'm so sorry to call you, but I didn't know what else to do. I have a situation.
Cynthia, slow down. I'm here. What's the problem?
Bob and Marianne Taylor.
Yep, they're regulars.
Yeah, well, I think I sort of erased the reservation. I was never checked out on this new system.
Did I mention I had a confirmed reservation? This is my receipt. I downloaded it off the internet myself.
I know, Mrs. Taylor, just calm down.
No, don't say that.
Calm down.
Calm down.
She told me to calm down.
Don't tell us to calm down. We've been very calm right up until now.
I'm so sorry. Lisa?
Okay, Cynthia, just tell them one more minute. They'll be very happy, you promise.
Just one more minute. You'll be very happy. I promise.
We better be.
Now enter my PIN. It's 788. Hang on. Dad?
Lisa?
Hold on. Can you hold on?
Sure.
Okay, it's 7884 _ L Reisert.
Lisa, I'm so sorry for calling.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Are you logged in yet?
Yeah, now what do I do?
Okay, you want to click on the crisis folder. You'll see a list of empty rooms. Give them fourth floor corner by the gym and comp them for tonight and tomorrow.
Okay, just a sec. Okay, you are all set. The first 2 nights are gonna be on us. And if you need anything else, just let me know.
We won't. This is not my fault.
God, they totally threw me. They were such assholes.
Cynthia, there are no guests who are assholes. Only guests with special needs.
Here we are.
Keep it. Anything else?
Oh. The Simpsons say they didn't get the California King they requested.
What else?
Oh my God.
Tell me.
Security just left a message saying that the Charles Keefe party will be arriving at 5:30 a.m. instead of p.m.
That's not that unusual. It's a security thing. Just make sure our guys have the front entrance set for Keith, and his own security will take it from there.
Is this Mr. Keefe Platinum Club or something?
He's political. Homeland Security. Make sure there's a polished box of Monte Cristo Cubans in the room and a bottle of Cristal on ice. It's $38.25.
Okay, got it covered. Safe flight.
Thanks.
Oh.